Let's set up your Festina Connected D for the first time. We start by unboxing our watch. Apart from the quick guide, these are the items you'll find in the box. Remember, the quick guide provided in the package offers valuable information for your watch's first setup. Hold the watch crown for 1 second to turn it on. Next, we scan the QR code provided in the quick guide. It will guide us to the download screen of our preferred store. We can now proceed to download our free Festina app. Once it is downloaded, we proceed to open the app for the first time. We should accept all the permissions in order to receive all the notifications in our new watch. Make sure your Bluetooth is connected and press the crown to start syncing the app with your watch. Once the syncing process finishes, you'll have to calibrate your Festina by aligning each watch hand with its 12s. Press Next and accept the location permissions. The health tools of the new Festina require some basic information of its user. Please introduce the data shown on screen. These are the basics of your watch. You will use all of them in following tutorials. Congratulations! Your new Festina Connected D is ready to use.